Hey friends, let's do What It Takes Guitar Lesson by Aerosmith. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So intro is really easy. We're just starting on this G chord, play the open G string, 3rd fret B, 3rd fret E, back to 3rd fret B, and do that 8 times. 8 times there, and that's our intro. So for the first verse, there's really no guitar parts, there's only one little build. He plays the D, D again, then go to a D over F sharp, to a G. That's just in the middle of the verse there, so. And that's our first verse. So for our chorus, we're just starting on this B flat, then play up, down, down to an F. Just hold the F there, do that again, the B flat, up, down, down, F. Then we go into the B flat, then just play the open A, 3rd fret D and G, to a D power chord, then just arpeggio pick the G, B, G, so we have D, then play 3rd fret on the A, do the arpeggio picking again, 2, 3, 2, and then we're playing 2nd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the D, 3rd fret on the B, then we just arpeggio pick that again, A, 3rd fret D, 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret B, go back to the B flat, to a C sharp power chord, to an F power chord, and then we're just arpeggio picking B, E, B to D, B, E, B. And that's our chorus there. So we're just starting on the G in our strumming pattern, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then go to a D, down, 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 and then on the up go to a D sus4, back to the D, up, down, to a D sus2, down, back to the D, down. So down, 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 up, down, down, down. To an E minor, down, 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 up, to an E minor 7, just do 3 downs, down, 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 and then jump to C, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Repeat that again to the G, to the D sus4, back to the D sus2 to the D, then to our E minor this time, just do down, 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 up, E minor 7, down, 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 up, to C, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that's our verse there. So the only change here in this chorus is the start bit. We still play the B flat, then play G, B, G, play the B flat again, and then an up down. So chord and then just play B, E, B, D, B, E, B. Do that 2 times and then we finish the same as before with the B flat, the A, the D, the C of D, and then we have the D minor 7 flat 5, so all the same, B flat, C sharp, F, and then our arpeggio picking again there. And that's our second chorus. So for our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end, just C for a bar, same strumming pattern as the verse. So I'm going to a D minor, 2 downs, then play the open D, 2nd fret G, 3rd fret on the B, then go 3rd fret A and do the G and the B again, and then 1st fret on the A, and then just finish our strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, 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 up on that B flat. And then to F, 1 bar, to C, 1 bar, do the D minor, the same again, 2 downs, the 1st fret A and our B flat again. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. So we're starting on this C bar chord. We're just going to do the power chord at first, and we're going to arpeggio pick D, B, E, back to the low E, D, G, D. Then go back to a G bar chord, and we're doing the same again. D, B, E, low E, D. This time we're going to go to B, G. Go to our B flat and then play D, G, B, back to the A, to the D, B, G, to the F, play the D, B, E, then we do 2 slides there, then we're playing an F power chord and play 10 on the D, 10 on the G, 10 on the D. So play it again, go back to a D sharp there or an E flat, back to the C sharp, we're holding them, we're just going to do down, down, up to a G sharp, down, down to a C, and we're just going to do 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our bridge there. So our outro chorus is going to be similar to our other choruses. We have our B flat and our arpeggio picking, the B flat up to the F with our arpeggio picking, so same as the second chorus. Do that 2 times, and then this time we're going to be arpeggio picking again. B flat, play D, G, D to our open A, 3rd fret on the D and the G, pick D, G, D, and then we do the same with our D, we did this before, 3rd fret on the A string, and to our D minor 7 flat 5, our pick down. Then we do our B flat, we're going to do arpeggio picking again, B flat, play D, B, G, come up to our C sharp, do the same, D, B, G, to our F, this time B, E, B, and then we're going to an F over E. So we're playing open E string, 3rd fret on the A and the D, 2nd on the G, 1st on the B and open E, and then just play B, E, B, back to the B flat, same arpeggio picking D, B, G, our C sharp again, D, B, G, back to our F, and then we just continue that F all the way through to the end. We're going to do D, B, E, B, and just keep repeating that all the way through to the end. And there are all our rhythm parts there. Now let's have a look at our solo. Starting with a bend on the 13B, bend and release. Starting to be 10, 13, 10, do a bend on 12G. Play 10E, 10B, 13 on the B, do another bend on 12G. 10, and then 12D. 10, 12D. Then we're staying on the D5, slide to 7, 5 on the G, go back to D, 7, 6, 5, 3, 5, then do a bend and release on the 5 again, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 3. Stay on the D, 5, slide to 7, G, 7, slide to 5, then play 5, D and G, slide back to 3 on the D, 2 on the G. Play the D3, G2 and then 1 on the E. Then we've got this little run up, we're going to A string, 10, slide up to 12, D10, back to A12, jump to B, 10, G10, 13 on the B, do a quick bend and release on 12G, 10, then jump to 13 on the E, then jump to 13 on the B, pull off to 10 and 10G, and then do a bend on 13 on the E. So let's do that bit slowly. Then we're just going to do a bend and release on 13 again, play 10 and then 10B. Do that 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then jump up to 15, bend and release on the E, 13, 15B. Then just come all the way up to 20E, 19, 18 and 17. And they're all our parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed What It Takes Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s glam rock and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.